Hey everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So, we did have a few sales today. Not a whole lot, but it is Christmas Eve. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. We will be getting out there bright and early. We're going to keep pushing forward, y'all. Remember, any forward momentum is a good momentum. So let's keep pushing forward. If we don't make all the sales that we want to, guess what? We're going to roll that stuff over and we're going to do it together because I'm in the same boat you're in. So let's just all be mindful that sometimes sales don't go as well as we want them to. Don't give up. Keep pushing forward. And tomorrow will be a better day. Make sure you get your in-between time sales. And like I said, we had a few sales today. We didn't sell out. We still got baskets and stuff, but we're going out bright and early tomorrow. And we're going to get it done and get what we can get sold. And what God has for us is for us this season. So don't forget that. You all make sure that you be blessed. But most importantly, everybody, be a blessing. Bye-bye.